on my Xbox and running all loud like this. And it's doing it pretty much non-stop now. People at Microsoft try to tell me it's doing this to keep it cool. I've been doing this up until about 2 months ago. Started to get more and more frequent. I was doing it non-stop. Sounds like a fucking vacuum. But they're saying it's doing it to keep it cool? I don't think so. They're just trying to get out half-time. Get out after the fucking replace the fucking Xbox in warranty. I think it's a whole bunch of fucking bullshit. Does that sound normal to anybody?